to the Love and Marriage Show. My name is Emma, who is in love tonight. Everyone say tweet, tweet. Yeah, the lovebirds are flying. So, the first couple I'm looking for, I need the couple that has been married for the longest amount of time. Wow! Someone's had some margaritas upstairs. And so you should. If you hadn't, I'd be disappointed. So I need the couple that's been married for the longest amount of time that wants to come up here and share their love secrets. Be our love guru. So who's been married for the longest? Where should we start the bidding? How long? 40? 40, naughty 40. We've got 40 years in the front. Look at that, 40 years. Can we get higher than 40? Can we get a raise on 40? Yes? How long have you been married? 50? Crikey. Wow, you just have a medal. 50 years in the front. And yes, how many at the back? How many? 55! Get higher than 55. Anyone higher than 55? Anyone higher? I'm looking. My eyes are peeled. Anyone higher than 55? Going once. Going twice. Looks like it's our couple right here of 55 years. Would you like to come and join us? She's like, yes, okay, why not? Where is the most interesting place you've ever made whoopee? It's a classic, but it's golden. I just can't look at Ellen. So, where is the most interesting place you've ever made whoopee? Okay? I don't even want to look at your answer. I'm nervous. Okay, so, oh wow. You're right there, please may I have a look? I want to... Well, you chose to come up here. Can I have a look, please? Which one? Okay, we'll reveal all later. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, you're very descriptive. You can write a novel, Christian Grey. Okay, I feel naughty looking at your one, Ellen. You didn't forget this answer, did you, John? Very convenient. Ladies, when is your man most macho? When is your man most macho? Is it A, in bed, B, out of bed, or C, in his head? So when is your man most macho? And gentlemen, you'll put what you think your ladies will write, and of course you can play along with your partners in the audience as well. Oh wow, I've just seen one of your answers. So, when is John most macho? I say macho, but you say macho. Is it in bed, out of bed, or in his head? What would you put? What would you put, audience? Everyone's like, we don't want to say anything. It's okay, you're not up here and I can't see you. Okay, what do you think, Ellen? Should we do a naughty question? In his head. Oh, yeah, oh! You got that one right. I love you, Ellen. I love you. But the next question, should we be a little bit naughty? Okay, see? Disclaimer approved. I'm just going to go this side. I'm getting a workout, aren't I? Okay, so next question is number 8, multiple choice. We're going to aim it at the ladies, just because why not? So ladies, when your man first steps out of the shower in all of his glory, I don't know why I did this. Which one of these does he most resemble? So, don't tell us yet. So, when your man first steps out of the shower, which one of these does he most resemble? Is it a stretch limo? Is it a Ford dump truck? Or is it a little pink Volkswagen with 2 flat tires? I always get flashbacks whenever I choose to do this question because my grandma came to cruise with me once and I said, all right, Nan, you go to bed, I'm just going to go and do a show because I obviously didn't really want her to see me do this bit because it's a bit naughty, don't want Grandma to see me do this. Guess who was sat on the top shelf in the middle? Grandma. Now, every time I go around to her house, as she answers the door, she always says, beep, beep, my grandma's a hoot. Yes, A, B or C, yeah, or you can draw pictures, it's up to you. I've seen it all on this. So when did you meet Evan?
Jacuzzi. There's this jacuzzi right at one of the complexes at UCSD.
Yeah, this is only question number 1. You see me outside tonight. Okay. Do you remember the jacuzzi?
I do, but it wasn't the first time we met.
Oh, maybe he just wishes it was, not sure.
First of all,
I'm really nervous what he's going to say, so forgive me. Okay.
completely frank with everybody here. First of all, she uses her teeth a lot. Secondly, she told me at a parent meeting on, next thing you know, her mother and father walk in. I swear to God, the father pulls out a pocket knife on me. Get the
This is probably the most awkward love and marriage show I've ever done. Yes, it's not marriage. Okay. I can't wait to dance this all the way. Okay. It's not a match. You are very good sport. You're wonderful. Okay. So, don't even want to ask this question, but have to. So, number 3. What is the name of your man's last girlfriend? So, Ellen, who was it? Lovey. What was Lovey? and he just went, oh yeah. Luckily I say lovely every day, otherwise we bring back memories, okay? And then, words to describe Lovey? Ugly? Okay. Bad. Okay, ugly and bad, okay? Honesty is the best policy, clearly. So, John, what did you put?
Got her.
Oh, that's a good answer. That is a good answer. It's a match. Although you did write something, didn't you? Who did you put?
Not met a couple times, but that was it.
Yeah, he put Janet, but we can forget about Janet. Okay. Would you like a kiss anyway? Oh, sure. Go on then. Go on then. 56 years. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay, Kenny. Ooh. Who did you put?
I put the bitch.
Okay. 18 plus, remember? 18 plus. 18 plus. Just be careful because I would still like a job. Okay.
But her government name is Ashley.
Okay. All right. And then you're right there, Jake. I'm not. I need a very strong cup of tea. Coffee shop's still open. Who did you put?
Ashley.
Ashley, and you also said that she was the same thing. It's a match! Yes! Okay. Please still like me after this show, please. Okay, Kimberly, who was it?
I just want to point out that the question from earlier, she asked for a number answer. I don't know why he gave that whole explanation. Anyways, Jessica.
Jessica, okay, and should we just ask him? Do you want to describe her? Do you want her to describe her? Remember, R-rated 18 plus, okay?
Do we have censors?
No. It's live. But you can just maybe alternate the word a little bit.
Oh, I just wrote a clingy bitch.
Okay. Please can you bring this paper up here, because I'm nervous, okay? So let's see, who did you put?
Okay, well, you see,
So what is the name of the lady?
okay. I think I just... No, you...
Okay. He put Kimberly. It's not a match. Sorry. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next question. Remember, it's just a game. It's just a little bit of fun. So, it's okay. Kimberly's still smiling, so we're good. Now, I'll get you a drink after this, Kim. Number four. Where is the most interesting place you've ever made whoopee? Okay, Ellen, save me. So, what did you put?
In the garden at home in the back.
And then, John, what did you put?
In the car.
In the car! Vroom, beep, beep. It's not a match, but we don't care, okay? Please give each other a nice smooch. Come on, kissy. Oh, she's ready. So let's see, Kenny. Where's the most interesting place you've ever made whoopee?
In our car while waiting for a Buffalo Wild Wings order.
She remembers it well. Okay, Jake, what did you put?
Because it was a good time. In the car waiting for an order of wings.
All right, it's a match. Look at that. Give each other a nice kiss. Okay, so Kimberly, where's the most interesting place?
Black's Beach, but it's a nude beach, so it makes it okay.
Okay. I'm not sure about that, but okay. And then, all right, so where's the most interesting place for you?
Anna, we rented a scooter, a bird. We were just riding after
Well, they like public transport. Look at that. And public as well. It's like when you have a movie and then you have subtitles. It's like, is it a match? Sorry, but you've still got time, okay? Do you have a question? I'm nervous. Do you want to ask me the question first? Okay. You could probably imagine what she just said. You're welcome. Okay. So, John, what's the first thing you touch in the morning? You can do it, John. You can do it.
Come on, go!
He said breasts. It's a match. Kenny, what's the first thing he touches?
My butt.
Your bottom. Okay. And then what did you put?
After myself.
Alright, it's a match. Look at that. You've got a clean sweep so far. Have a nice kissy. Okay, Kimberly, what's the first thing he touches?
I wrote himself because I like my sleep and he's impatient.
Okay. I wonder if you're going to remember this tomorrow. Okay, Evan, what did you put?
her feet. I got a foot fetish.
Okay. You're a very interesting person. It's not a match. So glad Grandma's not on this one. Okay. Alright. Number 10. Are you ready for number 10? I'm not. Okay. So, number 10. If there was a parrot that lived in your bedroom, help me, what word, phrase or sound would it learn to repeat? So what did you put, Ellen?
We have a parrot, and he says, John, come here.
They actually have a parrot. I am never going to forget this Love and Marriage show for the rest of my life. Okay, John, what would your parrot say?
It always said, John, John, John.
It's a match! Yay! Okay, Kenny, we'll just beat the first word. Just beat the first one, yeah?
Beat me harder, Daddy.
Okay. And then, Jay, what did you put?
Went very conservative and just said harder.
Okay. Yeah, well, it's a match. Okay, Kimberly, let's see. What would your parrot say?
I don't want to say. He says I don't want to say it. Can you read it out loud?
Do we trust him, really? Okay. And then, what did you put on your paper? Okay. All right, it says oy vey. Not sure why, but that's okay. Is it a match? You've got some fans over there. All right, so Carnival Panorama. Did you enjoy the Love and Marriage show? We made it through. So, all of my 3 couples, if you'd be so kind, please will you just stand up in front of your love hearts. You can just leave your clipboards on your chairs with your pens. Leave them right there, perfect. So just come in front of the love hearts, wonderful. Did anyone keep score?